In this guide, I'll show you how to use Google on PS5 using the web browser. So from the home screen, go to Settings in the top right corner, and we're going to go to Accessibility Settings, Display and Sound and Zoom, and enable Zoom so you can use the web browser in full screen. So come back to Settings and go to Users and Accounts, and scroll down to Link Services and select YouTube. Now once you're here, select Link. If you're currently linked, unlink it. And then we're going to go to Use Browser in the bottom right corner. Now, in order to make this full screen, press the PlayStation button and the square button at the same time, and then press X to confirm the zoom adjustment. So now what we're going to do is select Terms in the bottom right corner, and then we're going to select the Google Apps icon in the top right corner and go to Google Search. Now, once you're here, you can use the search bar to look up anything you'd like. So in this example, I'm just going to look up PlayStation, and then I can search it and it'll bring us right to the website. This guide was helpful, like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.